Bolsa Chica State Beach about 2 hours ago. We were hoping it was going to be about an hour-and-a-half drive, but you know, Los Angeles, you never know what kind of traffic you're going to get. And there are about 6 accidents, so it's like a 3-hour drive. So where are we going, Mel?
Yeah, so we're heading east of LA to the San Bernardino Mountains. The campsite is Old Mesa campsite. So it's at SilverWood Lake. So there's supposed to be a cool little lake around there. It's gonna be a little chilly, so no summer activity, but we're about an hour out or so. As Ryan said, we had a little bit of traffic, but we are getting closer.
So yeah, I can't wait to get out of the RV and start exploring the new campsite.
They weren't lying when they said in California you can surf and ski in the same day. We are getting really close to Silverwood.
See how long it takes to set up camp. Today didn't go quite as smoothly as the other days. We had all the dishes fly out of the cabinet, went all over the floor. It was a super windy road. Fruit came flying out. The fresh avocados smashed on the ground. But you know what? Hey, what can you do?
So we're trying to make up for the mishaps. So as Ryan said, all our plates fell on the floor. We're trying to recover those. But we're doing a pot roast, and unlike last night, I think our actual pressure cooker is working. So we are getting that ready to go.
What other ingredients do you have?
So glad you asked. So we've got, basically we have our potatoes, we've got carrots. We feel healthier with the red meat with all the other vegetables.
Well, I don't know if red meat's healthy, but...
Yeah, but we've got other things going on.
But hey, the mushrooms are, and so are the carrots stuck back in the corner over there.
We've got everything splayed out. So hopefully dinner will be good and it will make up for all the mishaps today. We had traffic, we had not broken dishes, but dishes that were spread out.
Major traffic. And
then we had some burning brakes. We didn't even mention that, but we're here, we're good, and we're safe.
Sounds good to me. Tomorrow's a new day. Right, guys?
All right, so it's our first morning at SilverWood Lake, and Ryan made some breakfast.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep, we've got some eggs, avocado, and blackberry.
But avocados from our yard, too. You don't get these things at the grocery store. The size of that. So, just got our new campsite pass. It's not too far away. It's actually right on a trail down to the lake, which will be cool.
Cool out here. It's a beautiful day. It's about 60, I don't know, 60 degrees or so. But you've
Super nice.
Yeah, you've got the lake in the background. It's actually a man-made reservoir, which is cool. But the best thing is, I don't know if you can see, there's a big snow-capped mountain in the back, which is nice because we've got the nice weather here, but then you feel like you're sort of in the mountains behind us, and just on the perimeter, you've got all the pine trees and wood stuff.
Yeah, and yesterday we were at Huntington Beach, and it was beach weather, and then we've got like snow-capped mountains, you know. We're looking forward to going to Lake Arrowhead tonight. It was a last-minute decision because tomorrow's President's Day, so we're like, hey, let's just stay up here another night.
Yeah, why not?
And go explore a new area.
Yeah, so we're super excited. We been to Lake Arrowhead a few times. Ryan, this will be his first time, so it'll be fun. We ended up reserving actually our first RV park. It's supposed to be not too parkish. It's supposed to be some cool things to do. It's by what's called a sky park, where there's like some bike trails and ramps, I think, and a few different options, family friendly sort of thing. So we're excited.
Yeah, can't wait. So we're at Lake Arrowhead at Lou and Eddie's, and it's an hour and a half wait for the pizza. But it's a cool spot, so we're gonna go have some drinks down here. There's a little brewery. Go see where Melanie's at. I think she's around the corner. I spoiled her with the cannoli. There she is. So Mel and I are at Sky Park RV and Campground in Lake Arrowhead, and it's a really cool spot up on top of the hill with great mountain and like canyon shots. And supposedly tomorrow it's supposed to start snowing between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. So we might have our first experience with the snow and rain tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see. There's some steep, windy roads, so we'll see how the RV handles in the snow and possibly some ice. And then tonight will be our first night in cold weather, but we do have those partial hookups.
It's not so bad. We have heat.
Yeah,
she leaves it turned on to like 68 every night.
We're not boondocking, so that's good. But yeah, and then they've got these main fire pits that you see here, which are pretty cool, pretty warm.
Yeah, we'll be fine.